Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys, ha. Hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat. Normal yon kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Water Sign sa mundo, okay? Take only what resonates. Baka hindi mo pa alam, meron tayong special channel for Water Sign Philippines. Kindly check it out dito sa YouTube, okay? For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, paka-search na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And by the way, mamimili siya ng 10 maswerteng panay comment sa akin dito sa YouTube. Kung gusto mo mabigyan ng personal reading na maswerte ka mapili, mag-comment ka lang. Kasi dyan siya mamimili eh. Kasi dito sa YouTube hindi makikita yung mga subscribers. So, dyan ka sa comment. Mag-comment. Hopefully mapili ka. 10 ang pipiliin niya dito at 10 rin naman sa kanyang page, sa kanyang group. Okay, let's start. Water sign, please, spirit guys. Angel guys, water sign, please. For water sign, please. Okay, sorry, medyo nagloloko ang aking stand. Ayan. So, medyo nagloloko yung stand ng aking phone. Ayan. So, anyway, kuha na tayo ng messages for you, water sign. Water sign, you do have here the Hermit. Knight is also here. Summer. Okay. Nakakita ko ng peacefulness sa'yo. Wala masyadong stress, problema, you know. And then, pwedeng ito yung time sa sarili mo na parang nagre-recharge ka lang. Alam mo yon yung parang, gusto ko muna mag-focus sa sarili ko. Gusto ko muna, tahimik lang muna ang lahat. Wherein, I can see with the summer, enjoy ka naman ngayon sa kung nasaan ka. And then, for what I can see here with the star ancestors, marami kang gustong ma-achieve sa buhay mo. Tuloy-tuloy lang eh. You're just following etong tingin mong makakatulong para ma-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo. Okay? I can see that continuous yung pag-aayos ng iyong health. Ayan, gumaganda, mas gumaganda. I can see you healing and you are open for maybe something na makakatulong sa'yo para mas lalo ka mag-heal. Maybe sa sakit or physically, emotionally, mentally, kind of sickness. Spiritually, ganun na rin. Open ka sa kung ano man yung advice sabihin sa'yo and kung ano yung tingin mo makakatulong para mas gumaling ka. Okay? And I like your energy. And for what I can see here, kailangan mong tapangan ang sarili mo sa mga bagay na iniisip mo. Kasi minsan you're overthinking eh. Kalaban mo na yung sarili mo. So, kailangan mong mas tatagan ang sarili mo pagdating sa bagay na yan. And, let's move on. Focus tayo sa iyong love. What are messages pagdating sa love? Spirit guides, angel guides for water sign, please. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, messages sa love for water sign. Messages for love for water sign. Okay. You do have here the Knight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ace of Cups, yeah, this is you and the King of Cups. Hindi ko alam pero hindi ko alam sa'yo. Pero may nakikita akong nagkakagusto or may nagmamahal sa'yo pero iniiwasan mo, nilalayuan mo. Maybe you see this as a toxic person or with the devil. Natatakot kang makipag-commit kasi baka may kapalit or what. For some of you, ganon. Or yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi ka ready. Basta, you're just walking away, you're running away from this person na willing magbigay ng love sa'yo. Ikaw yung umiiwas. Gusto ko malaman, Ano yung intention nitong taong to? Anong gusto niya mangyari sa inyo? Wait lang ha. Medyo nagugulo talaga ang aking camera eh. Okay. So, ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo, intention niya sa'yo, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants a new beginning with you. Yung Pentacles, you know, it's like money. It's like money. Pag sinabi nating money, pera, it's like a material na bagay. So, gusto niyang ma-materialize or mapunta sa katotohanan kung ano man yung matagal na hinihintay niya sa'yo with the Temperance, Sagittarius energy. This person is patiently waiting. Alam mo yung Temperance, it's like mas matagal na paghihintay. So, matagal na talaga naghihintay ng taong to sa'yo. The Six of Pentacles, gusto niya makipagtulungan ka. Tulungan mo naman ako, parang gano'n. Tulungan mo naman ako kasi ang hirap-hirap na magmahal ng katulad mo. Parang gano'n. And gusto kong magkaroon ng new beginning sa'yo. Pero tulungan mo naman ako kung anong dapat kong gawin para matanggap mo ako or ihayaan mo akong magkaroon ng chance sa buhay mo. Okay? So ikaw yung, kumbaga, willing ako mag-adjust, willing ako ibigay ang lahat, willing akong maybe to explain kung kailangan mo ng explanation. This person is, you know, at the bottom of the deck is the sun. You are my happiness. You are my sunshine. Ikaw yung kailangan ko. Ikaw ang gusto ko. Ikaw ang, hindi lang basta gusto eh. Minimithi talaga eh, nitong taong to. And you are the one that this person wants in his or her lifetime. Okay? Yeah. Naghihintay talaga siya sa'yo. So, gusto niya tulungan mo siya na sabihin mo sa kanya kung anong dapat niyang gawin para kung ano yung hinahanap mo. Ganun na lang. Baka kaya ko namang ibigay yan. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for you? Future for water sign, please. Future for water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, future for water sign. Okay, you do have your Judgment. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. This is success for you with the Nine of Pentacles. Kaya lang nakikita natin, you're sad. You're sad. Okay, with the Four of Wands, maybe there's no stability. Pero it's like, to be honest, yung iba, maybe you're financially stable, there's success, pero maybe sad regarding family or whatever. May ganun, may kinalaman sa ganun. Judgment is here. You have to be more open. Kasi nga, oo, successful ka, but you're not letting itong Eight of Swords na pumasok sa buhay mo. Maybe this is, the Eight of Swords is you, na parang, can you see there's these swords, and ikaw yung parang nasa gitna dito na parang, surrounded ka by swords. You're not letting any cups or any love na dumating sa buhay mo. So, honestly, hindi talaga pera makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Pero hayaan mo yung sarili mong maging masaya. Hayaan mong tulungan ka ng ibang tao na maging masaya. And maybe you have to try na makipag-connect, makipag-relation. I don't know if you're dealing with the fire sign kasi it's high chance that you are, kasi same energy yung nakuha ko kanina. So, nakakakita ko ng high chance na ikaw ay maging single for life. Yung iba sabihin, hindi, masaya naman ako. Kasi maybe you're a single mom, single dad, or maybe sa pamilya mo, sa mga kaibigan mo, masaya ka na. Pero minsan, that's not enough. May hanapin ka sa sarili mo at maaaring yun yung kulang sa'yo. And maybe you have to accept kung ano man yung mga dumadating, and sabihin na natin wala doon yung hinahanap mo pa. Pero at least binigyan mo ng chance, binigyan mo ng time, binigyan mo ng effort. Kasi minsan yung pakikipagrelasyon, hindi lang yun about love, kilig. Minsan, it's about partnership, commitment, partner in life. Yung parang mabubuhay ka, at least alam mo may partner ka, may kasama ka, may katulong ka. Okay? Na ma-survive itong buhay na ito na kahit papaano hindi ka mag-isa. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.